In this exercise, we're interested in looking at a side-by-side comparison of a subject property and comparable properties. In order for us to bring this information in, we'll create a spreadsheet that has subject as well as comp data. We're going to choose the file that's an Excel file titled subject comp. Now we happen to have address location for this data, so we're going to use point locations. We know that we have address, city, state, and zip code. Now here you can see the existing points. If I zoom out, I'll be able to see all 4 of the points. However, in the spreadsheet in question, we're actually interested in distinguishing the subject property from the comparable properties. For the drawing style options, I'm going to change to unique symbols. Here you can see that my subject property is denoted in blue, while my comps are denoted in red. Keep in mind that I could use any of the different addresses to distinguish the unique symbols. I also have mapping options such as heat map, and I can also change the iconography or the size of the icon if I want to as well. If I'm interested in doing further analysis on these points, I could create and save sites for all the points, so I could create rings or drive times or walk times and do further analysis on these study areas.